Hello boys and girls, Rusty coming at you with another knife review. Today we're looking at the Schrade steel driver, and I picked this one up here recently in Smoky Mountain Knife Works for $14 and something like 86 cents. Also comes in OXIDE steel. Got a recurve, a pretty thin knife here. Nice G10 handles. They're a little thick, but not too bad. Not too bad. Some jimping up top here. Nice clip point. Full tang. More jimping on the back. So we'll take her inside for you guys. I'll show you how it carries as well. And I'll show you the sheath. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at this one and see how it carries. Again, pretty darn high. And we're inside. We're going to take a look at this Schrade steel driver. And I did install this clip here, belt carry. And I left this clip on here. It's the same one that was on the Schrade Regime Tanto I showed you. And it does carry high. You put this on your belt, you got all this stuff sticking up. Gee whiz, good 6 inches there. But with this one, I'm going to do it behind the back. I can put this on my belt, get it behind the back. It's just a little bit too big for the in front, you know, where I like to carry. My other ones are kind of on the left side. My hip there, just in front of the front left pocket. And actually this one is going to be a little bit big as well, but I do like to carry the Civivi. That seems to fit me pretty good on there. So I'm going to carry this in the back position. I think they call that the Scout position. So all right, we'll go ahead and, of course, got this thumb ramp. Pop it off, and we'll take a look. Really nice. I want to say that's G10. Full tang. Got some jimping here. Comes around, has a place for a lanyard hole. Goes through the tang. A little bit of finger choil here. Now these got to be just like a painted blade here. I can already see some wear just from going in and out of the sheath, you know, so I don't anticipate this will last very long. Well, that's what you're looking at there. Nice clip point with swedge up there. All right, we're going to do a cut test. And before we do that, all right, we're going to take a look at some concepts of hell. All right, Skiing Magazine, Outdoor Life, Runner's World. All right. Used to get a subscription to Outdoor Life when I was young. I didn't mention this jimping. It works well. Let's see how we do. All right, so far. All right, once we get her started, it's all right. I think that might have to do with the thinness of the blade. So it's a thin blade. It doesn't look like the grind on this side. Yeah, they don't look, it looks like a very, what you might call obtuse grind, a very high angle, because you're not getting a lot of the edge showing. So let's see how we did. Yeah, I got nothing. All right, this one needs some sharpening, and that's a little bit of a bugger because it's a big knife and it's got that recurve. So now I can do recurves. I got the kind of a buck flip stick, so it's sort of like a rod, and I can get that done. $15 on that knife. And we'll bring out this one. This is the old Cold Steel SRKC. So that's a 5-inch blade on there. So you can see the Schrade's got about the same. And this Cold Steel is probably the best all-around fixed blade you can get your hands on. It's got SK5 steel, so that's just a high carbon steel. And you know, this thing can skin a deer. You can baton wood with this. It's a tough metal. And this one I wouldn't do any batoning on. It's got a hollow grind, which is going to make your blade real thin there. And as far as skinning or, you know, dressing out a deer, might be, it's big. It's kind of big for doing that, but you know, let's see how they compare. We size them up with the sheath. So we'll set that out here. Now I haven't put a clip on this Cold Steel. What I do is just the way that the factory came, belt carry here. Try to line those up for you here. Because you can run your belt through here and not that clip. I mean, look at the difference. You got a good 4.5 inches difference. So that Cold Steel is going to carry lower than this Schrade. That's why I kind of went with a horizontal carry on that. I paid $35 for this. And as I mentioned, you can get this for under $15 at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So not really excited about it, but for the money, I'm happy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.